Alrighty, trap bar, single leg or split stance deadlift, as it's more commonly referred to. When we're setting up here, guys, just like any normal split stance position, that front foot is where the focus load is. The rear foot is mainly there for support in terms of balance. So we want to be driving around 90 to 95% of the load through the forward leg, making sure that our rear leg is just there to support. So to stop us falling over, give us that little bit of support. So you can see front on, I know this is angled, but we also do want to remain somewhat in that squat stance. So as we bring the foot back, I'll come forward, as we bring the foot back, we're not coming in line with that forward foot. We're starting in that square stance, drive back at the exact same or relatively same angle, and then drive up. So we've obviously got our half trap bars as well without the back. This is probably one of those circumstances where you would use that, so you've got a bit more freedom. However, we work with what we've got at the gym. So coming into our trap bar stance, we then want to first come into the split stance. From here, I'm starting to load up basically all of my weight in that front foot. I keep everything engaged. I come down in my normal trap bar deadlift movement, and then I'm driving up. So I'm placing a predominant load through that front foot. My rear foot there is there for support. Of course, when you first start out and depending on your trap bar, you may find that there is a little bit more load placed in that rear leg. That is fine. However, we do want to work predominantly on our forward leg where the load is placed.